Hey everyone, welcome back to Patrick's Couch, hanging out with me. So tonight we're going to try a little REM, some other older stuff, so let's see how it goes. Did you never call, waiting for your call? These rivers of suggestions are driving me away. The trees will bend, cities wash away. These cities on the river, there a girl, not a dream. Sorry, 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 sorry. Eastern Mountain, the party call, the lions are down, the wise man built his words upon the rock, but I'm bound to follow suit. The trees will bend, conversations dim. You build yourself another home, this choice isn't mine. Sorry, 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 sorry. Did you never call, waiting for your call? These rivers of suggestions are driving me away. The ocean's hang, conversations dim. You build yourself another dream. This choice isn't mine. Sorry, 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 All right. Thanks for listening. We'll see you next week.